Sto qua, sto qua. Upe?
Hai visto quel palazzo?
Sì, bello.
No, questo è un altro. Aquí nada más los cuentos que son.
Guarda le cose di ulivo. Qua?
I forget that you're smart. Like, you know you sounded like my dad. How are you? You sounded exactly like my dad if you got my grandma. When you want to eat something before your grandma comes, you know she won't like, do it now before you won't ever.
River, give him a big round of applause.
Seem like a compliment, but it's just like this is a compliment.
Now, River, how many years have you juggled?
No, I haven't.
He's been juggling for 3 years. Wow. This guy's going to be good. All right, River, now I'm going to get you started here. River, I want you to face the audience first. Just look right out over there. You see, you got fans out there, River. All right, River, next thing. Where's your hand? Oh, there it is, River. I want you to hold tight right there, River. Don't let go. Good job. Other side, same thing. Hold tight. Don't let go, River. Now, River, this is the hard part. You got to keep your elbows in. Elbows in. Elbows in. Good, River. Elbows in. Good. Keep your chin up, River. Chin up. Keep your chest out, River. Keep your stomach in. Keep your knees together. Keep your toes crossed. Stick out your tongue, River. Do something silly, River. I think he's going to do it. You think he can do it, guys? All right, relax, River. Go with the flow.
We're losing Alina. I do want to come back and fly. You already caught it.
Oh, really?